even though we won't get it in the US market. The new 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class hatchback is a big deal. That's because it ushers in an entirely new generation of front-wheel drive models from Mercedes-Benz, several of which will reach our shores. U.S.-bound variants will include a notchback sedan version of the A-Class, the next-gen CLA, and a new GLA. A rugged-looking utility vehicle inspired by the G-Wagon could be offered as well. They will all share the same platform and the same powertrain portfolio. So when Mercedes offered a chance to ride along in a barely disguised prototype of the new A-Class hatch, we jumped on it. The main focus of the ride-along was showcasing the new instrument panel and user interface. In fact, Mercedes doesn't bother with trickle-down economics anymore. The pace of technological progress is so rapid that technologies are being rolled out as soon as they're ready. When it comes to the user interface, infotainment, and telematics, the next A-Class will be more advanced than the S-Class, or pretty much any other car in the market, for that matter. In top-spec configuration, the A-Class has two 10.0-inch displays in front of the driver, 7.0 and 10.0-inch configurations, and dual 7.0-inch screens are available as well. The cluster can show traditional style instrumentation, a more sporty design, or a minimalist set of gauges. A head-up display is available, too. The A-Class retains the dandy column stalk shifter for the automatic transmission, but everything else is sporty, including the exterior, at least from what we can tell. The grille opens up at the bottom as on the SL, the headlights have evolved into aggressive slits, and the side view is cleaned up. Since we didn't get behind the wheel ourselves, we will refrain from overanalyzing the driving dynamics of the new model. From the passenger seat, the ride felt controlled and smooth. And since the current small A-Class models are still among the best handling models in their segment, we expect their successors to share that strength, and the AMG models could top 400 horsepower. Watch for further updates on the baby Benz models as we get them throughout 2018.